Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah.
No entry there.
Oh, there.
Yeah, that should just stop whenever you know. Thank you. Yeah. Just the one. Yeah. You don't remember? No. Let's say pounds. Thank you. It does. Yes, it's everything. Yep, that's lovely. Right, so try.
Oh. So start here. Start here.
What's this? 2 kilometres? Oh, there's a matter.
What? 1 kilometer.
1 kilometre. Start here, Jubilee. So you've got yellow, pink or blue.
So we're gonna walk.
This one. Oh, I shouldn't be doing that with carers. What happens if somebody sees us and they're thinking they're not carers, they're just like
It won't make it.
just like you. There's no seals, is there? Just for birds, isn't it, here?
Yeah. There might be seals on them. Where's the puffin? What's in it? Over there. I can see it. There. Is that blackbird? Have to go.
The season this far back.
Well, that's Flamborough all the way over there.
Yeah.
Because you can see the gate.
Oh yeah. And then it goes round back. So look how far the sea is. Wow. Look at that. They're big, aren't they?
Mm. What's that with the yellow head? Is that a puffin?
No.
No, it's not.
I'm inclined to say it's a cormorant, but I'm not so sure now because I think cormorants are black and slender.
What bird is that then? The black one. Normal seagull.
Oh yeah. Oh, those two on there. Yeah. It's rather lovely, isn't it? I say those two on the edge, I don't know. Just flew up. It seemed to stretch them up before they fly out. You can do things you don't know. I can see the next of one.
Should have got that book.
They're just seagulls, them.
No, there's blackbirds. What's that? Oh yeah, just black. That's just a black.
Yeah, it's not a puffin that. Puffin's got orange beak.
Orange pig, yeah.
The ones with the yellow heads are called gannets.
Oh, gannets.
The black and white ones that you keep referring to are called gully moths.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's really high, isn't it? Should have got another coat. You didn't you? You always wear that. Can't see any profile. I told you to put your jacket on.
Can we go now? It's freezing. Can we go?
Told you to buy your jacket.
On the ledge facing out the sea. Is it on this stretch? See that white flash there? Yeah. Follow that down.
I haven't seen that.
Halfway, and then we'll put past there. Straight down that line. Look at that little line.
It's in the little midget.
The white line. I see him. Yeah.
not watching the birds. Look, there's lots of birds. Can you find any poppy?
Trying to hold it together to stay warm. Organics there.
There's lots of garlic.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's cold.
It is cold. There you go. Gully mops and gannets. And you got something else here and all.
Let's go on. Come on, let's go there. Got a thick jacket.
Not so bad now, wind's dropped.
You've got electricity here, look.
Plug in there. Oh,
They're big.
gannets
They're
on.
big bird, aren't they?
They are big birds, yeah, gannets. They're a seagull, aren't they? The type of a seagull.
Mm. We might see in here. Can't see in here.
Hello, light. You're right. Oh.
What?
Please stick to the footpath.
I think that is Filey. No?
Blend in well, don't they?
They do, don't they?
All I keep seeing is gannets.
They're huge, aren't they, though?
Mm.
Two little...
Oh yeah, I've seen it. Orange beak. Yeah, seen it.
I don't realise how big them gannets are here till we get close.
Oh, they're nice. They're cute.
Where's the puffin then? I can't see no
Yeah.
puffin down there.
It's hiding in the Come here, look on my camera. Can you look on my camera? Yeah.
I can see that, but I don't know where the rock form. Oh, I can see orange feet now.
Yeah.
I can see orange feet.
It's hiding.
Yeah, I can see it there. Yeah, down there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's two. I don't know where's the other one.
No, it's down there. You can see it there.
Yeah, I've seen it. There's two in there. I don't know where's the other one. There it is. Two there.
Yeah. I fell through. Yeah, there's definitely two there.
Yeah.
One seems bigger than the other.
I think that's like
Yeah, one's bigger than the other.
yeah.
The other one he's up here somewhere. There's a movie camera. Oh no, you've got them both there.
I got them.
There and there.
I got them.
Looking straight at you, there's a bottom one.
Yeah.
Thinking, stupid people. Taking our photographs and they're not paying. What is this? That's the gannet. Mean? What does it mean?
Yeah. You tell me what it is. It's standing posts. What they're building in here. is it then? Can't see it now. Are they? Who's there?
That's a mountain, isn't it?
Oh.
Can't really flies to there. You can't move for them. There's loads of them. Millions of them. And
It's hiding there.
Have you got him?
Yeah. It's hiding.
Oh, yeah. No, you see, it said, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, you can go on the edge.
Ow. Fenced up. Charles III, England Coast Pass. Speeding 3.5 miles public footpath. King Charles III, England Coast Path. Flamborough 3/4 mile. Public footpath. Bempton 1.25.
So it's not far with the walk.
Can't see anything here, can you? Way too bit too far away.
Let's see.
Oh, yes. Yes, it's just come out.
Hey, on you alone, go to the
you can see his head here.
around here. Quite correct it is.
We're off to our next destination. Our favorite one. We're in Flamborough again.
In the middle there. Oh, a little baby there. The one here.
Yeah, small one. No, they're still there.
Little baby there.
That's just been washed on that rock. Little baby.
Yeah. See here.
Where's that coat there?
There.
What you look down over?
No, not one.
Oh.
Look. It's lots of seals. Oh, there's seals over there, seal there, seal there. It's loads.
Ah, this is the second one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh look, big fat ones there.
Yeah.
And the fly lake. Yeah. There's a few here.
Yeah. There's 3.
Yeah.
There's 4.
One here, right? In there.
Hello.
That's a bit of water, isn't it?
There's no fight now.
Yeah.
There's a lot, isn't it? So this is their sanctuary, really, isn't it? Loads of them.
Yeah.
Don't go near there. Hmm?
Not as many as there was the other day, but there's a few.
Oh yeah. Yeah.